Hello and welcome to 2014 and welcome to your first market update. I'm Claudio for claudioquamma.com.au. Hope 2013 was a brilliant year for you and hope 2014 is one of your best yet. So let's have a bit of a look at the year that was, and excuse me if I look down to my left, I've just made a couple of notes to keep on track and not waffle on too much. Let's look at some of the key data from RP Data Home Values Rismark Index. Firstly, the last month of 2013, December, prices still continued to rise at 1.4%. The last quarter of 2013, prices rose 2.8%, pardon me, but most importantly, across Australian capital cities, for the calendar year to date, Jan to December 2013, prices rose 9.8%. A fantastic period for Australian real estate markets and the strongest growth that we have seen since 2009. Moving on from there, to break that down to what growth we saw in the housing sector versus unit sector. Across the housing sector we saw 9.9% growth versus the unit sector 9% growth. We do typically tend to see the land value in the housing market appreciate at a higher rate, but still extremely consistent overall between the housing and unit sectors. From there, talking about, I guess, that growth that we saw last year, even though it was the highest and sharpest growth that we've seen across median prices since 2009, really it wasn't much of a surprise. Given the record low interest rates that we've had for some period of time now, it certainly wasn't surprising. And also given the previous year's decline we had in the market, it was always expected to bounce and return back. So really healthy to see that returning back to trend. Talking about interest rates, the forecast for 2014, what does it hold for interest rates? It's still a little bit foggy. Probably the clearest thing though is that the RBA has cited a very sharp increase in housing approval loans. That may force the Reserve Bank's hand to hike interest rates up maybe once or twice this year. Irrespective, over the next 12 to 24 months, we can certainly expect interest rates to start to cycle back upwards. So now may be a great time to speak to your mortgage broker, bank, financial institution, talk about fixing, splitting, and really getting the best rate for you moving forward and saving some more dollars in your pocket. Aside from that, I guess that pretty much sums up the year that was, and really there's still never been a better time to be getting into it. Upsize into that next home, still looking for that next investment development opportunity. There's some great value buying opportunities out there. Aside from that, that's all I've got to say. Till next time, wishing you an absolutely brilliant start to the year. Make the most of this sunshine and take care. Look forward to speaking soon. For any queries, don't ever hesitate to contact myself or any of the team at Stockton Lego. My personal contact 0419 315 396. From the sunny area of Glenroy, Oak Park, Pascoe Vale, wishing you all the best. Bye.